The COVID-19 pandemic and Brexit crisis have revealed a number of structural vulnerabilities in the UK food system and exposed the scale of food poverty in the UK today. So why food sovereignty? Well, unlike food security, which has been criticised as overly reliant on a highly industrialised corporate global food industry, food sovereignty focuses on people's movements and shifts attention to how ideas and practices of history, power, and justice are integral to food production and cultures of food consumption.
When we feel like shit, we eat like shit. And I don't think it's a coincidence that, obviously there's this correlation between poverty and food poverty, and that's a financial correlation. I think there's also a very clear correlation between poverty and poor mental health. And I think there's a clear correlation between poor mental health and poor diet.
A lot of mosques use kitchen as a model, and a lot of Sikh Gurdwara they use langar as a model, that you can eat with dignity.
Need whole-scale and massive policy change, because this food interlinks to everything else, and ultimately this is all about climate change, in my opinion, really.
To push for more land for urban agriculture, at universal basic income, the national food service, where everybody, regardless of their sort of financial, economic, social, cultural background, is able to access 5 portions of fruit and veg a day, assuming that that's what they want. But also that food that they're able to access has been produced by people, by local agricultural producers who are being paid a fair wage for their produce.